And now we are going to speak of an important collaboration between two industry leaders. I'm speaking about Clevertech and SEW-EURODRIVE. So I'm going to meet Simone Cervi, Mechatronic Director of Clevertech, and Giorgio Ferrandino, Managing Director of SEW-EURODRIve. Clevertech and SEW-EURODRIve is a long-lasting collaboration. Simone, could you tell us more relating the solution that you are presenting here at SPS following your last collaboration with SEW-EURODRIve?
Yes, first of all, I would like to, and we as Clevertech would like to thank SEW. Our relationship with SEW is really strong since many years. So we started with supplying motor gearboxes many years ago, and then due to the tested quality, we were more than available to open the doors to the automation that in the meantime is born at the SEW side. Now we are here with this development for this virtualization, PLC virtualization. I think our relationship is so strong because it's based on the trust between each other and the mutual desire to innovate.
And what are the benefits for the packaging technology manufacturers?
The benefit for the end user are for sure a better interactivity due to the fact that the software are all in the server, so web-based, are easily accessible by mobile, tablet, and so on. So this is a big benefit. It is a highly customized solution because the integrator can make available and implement customized application. Another important benefit is the possible integration of artificial intelligence that can help a lot for the troubleshooting and programming optimization.
Giorgio, the paradigm shift in industrial automation with virtualization. Let's focus on this point.
Well, basically, we are connecting an unconnected world. Industrial automation used to be, and maybe still, is an unconnected world. But I would say there is another shift. It allows to move from a business model traditional to a new pay-per-use based. And those are the two major elements of these new technologies.
Partnerships are very important in industrial sectors, but how much is important to join several partners?
It is crucial in a digital world. Nobody of us can alone support of the knowledge and of all the technologies available. And for that, we need to build up partnership within an ecosystem which can make, at the end, all the ingredients available to all of us to move in a new world.
Now let's come to SPS. This is the second day, almost the end of the second day. SEW-EURODRIVE is used to be present at this exhibition. What do you think about this edition 2024?
Well, I can say that the involvement of partners such as Clevertech and the technological partners allowed us to reach a major potential visitor. And this is what we have seen yesterday. We have had really a great presence at the booth. And I think today is repeating. So I would say very well done and very great success.
Great. So thank you so much to Giorgio Ferrandino from SEW-EURODRIVE and Simone Cervi from Clevertech. And if you want to keep updated about the last innovation in digitalization, components and automation, follow us on our social pages.